Imagine if your heart could repair itself after a heart attack. Thanks to researchers at Mount Sinai, this might soon be reality. They've found that Cyclin A2, a natural gene, can be reactivated to help the heart grow new cells. Dr. Hina Chaudhry's team showed that reactivating this gene helps the heart recover from damage. In 2014, they regenerated a pig's heart using the same gene, and now it works for adult humans too. Researchers used a viral vector to deliver the Cyclin A2 gene, prompting cells to divide. The new cells appear like normal heart tissue, no scarring, no issues, just healing. This marks the culmination of nearly 2 decades of research, aiming for FDA approval next. This discovery could shift medicine from managing heart disease to curing it entirely.